Hi there and welcome back. As I promised in the earlier video, we're going to have a series of smaller videos for you guys to watch. This one here is very important. It's our COVID-19 protocols for the upcoming tax season. Right now we're open, but I'm going to tell you what, a week ago today, I didn't think we were going to be. Here's what's happened. February 18th, one of our employees called and they said that they were having a headache and they wouldn't be in. On the Friday, February 19th, the employee went and got tested. Sunday morning, I got bad news. That employee tested positive. At that point in time, I sprung into action. I contacted all my employees. They all went and got tested, and they were all asked to isolate until Manitoba Health did an investigation. Right? At the end of the day, two of us tested negative that day. We came into work the next day. We were isolated, and then I got a phone call from Manitoba Health. Manitoba Health actually told me that a couple of things. Number one, they told us that we were considered high risk and that we would have to shut the office down until March 4th. Now, after digging in a little deeper to determine what close contact was, I felt that they were misinformed on a couple of situations. I knew that we did have some close contact, but not a lot. So at that point in time, they did a further investigation, talked to our staff, talked to the person who had COVID, came back and they downgraded us to a medium risk, which allowed us to actually come back to work, except for the one person who had close contact, which was a meeting over 15 minutes with that employee, and the one customer who came in and met with that employee also had to quarantine and isolate for 14 days. Now, those two won't even be let out of the house until Thursday of this week, March 4th. So that kind of gave us a wake-up call. Here's the, tax season is 8 weeks long. 2 weeks means that we're not going to be able to get your taxes done for you. That's just, it's just the state of the way things are. We're not going to be looking at getting extensions from Revenue Canada this year, so we just want to be on the extra cautious side. Okay, now, what does that mean for you guys? Well, the province is still in code red, so we need to be careful. We will be open, but we're going to be cautious. We have a lot of senior or high-risk clients that can easily be exposed. We also have to worry about the risk of exposure from our office or our employees to our clients, the other way around, from our clients bringing in something to us, which we in turn pass out again. And we want to avoid the 14-day isolation periods easy because we don't want to get shut down. What are the rules this year? Well, we're going to be instituting the virtual tax office again. It's something that we started up last year. You can go to our website. You can fill out the online registration forms. Right from that form, you can take pictures of all of your tax documents. You can upload things separately or at the same time. We've got a ton of tools available online. We're going to be continuing with our video reviews. Last year, we did videos of your tax returns, 5 to 10 minutes to go over exactly what happened, explain some things so that you understand. And our clients really took that to heart last year. I actually can't believe the amount of people who loved the whole idea. So we're going to be continuing with that there this year. We're also going to be maintaining e-signatures through DocuSign for the short term. All right. Everything we're doing right now is going to be secure transfer of data, and it's for the time being, it's all going to be done on the obstax.com website. Okay. When it comes to dealing with us, we need to deal in a virtual environment, so we have new rules along those as well. All clients will have their tax returns done remotely. We're going to be doing things by virtually submitting everything to us. Now, we do understand that there's some cases where we may have to have in-person appointments. And what those cases are is when we have clients that don't have internet, they don't have high-speed internet, or they don't have the tools where we can meet like this, or the ability or the understanding to do it. When that happens, everything will be judged on a case-by-case basis, and we will approve whether we're going to be having the in-person meetings or not. If we are having an in-person meeting, I just want to let you know it's still not business as usual. I have set up 2 separate workspaces that have an extra computer, monitor, camera, and a microphone, so that when you come in, you'll be escorted into a private workspace where we will have an in-house web meeting. We will not be communicating one-to-one in the same office. The exposure template that we have to worry about right now is no more meetings no longer than 10 minutes. we can't do a meeting in under 10 minutes. You guys know me, I talk way too much. So therefore, we need to make sure that we're keeping everybody safe and secure for this year. All right. If we're doing drop off and pickup, we still welcome it, but we'd like you to make an appointment. We want to be able to stagger our clients out so that we don't have 20 people here at a time trying to run it. We will only be allowing one external person into the office at any given time, which means that you may have to sit in your cars waiting to get in. We don't want to get into a problem like that, so we will ask you to come and pick up and drop off. So that's what we're looking at right now. Now, when I say for the interim, right now we're using our website for the next week to 2 weeks. I want you to take a look at our next video. I'm very, very excited. We've come up with a new tax application that you can access from your computer, that you can access from your phone, that's going to do everything all at once. So it's called the One-to-One Tax App. Tune in. It's a real short video. It's just going to give you an idea what you can expect out of it. Okay, guys, I want to thank you for your patience and tolerance with us. I really look forward to working with you this year, and I look even more forward to seeing you personally after this crisis is over and we all get vaccinated. Okay, thank you very much.